Hey team, Ron here again from Evey. So in this video, we'll be discussing the most used feature of the app, which is the attendee information form. Merchants use this if they need to collect information from the attendee that is important to the event. So let's say if your event will be on your event, you'll be serving food. If you need to know if the attendee is diabetic or if they have high blood pressure, you can ask that on the attendee information form. Now, what's good about it is they won't be able to purchase a ticket unless they fill out the form. All right, so they have no choice but to provide you that information, especially if this information is important to the event. Now, to do that, first you have to make sure that your storefront integrations are installed. Now, to do that, we'll go to the settings, click on storefront integrations, and here the status should be installed. If it's not, you just need to scroll down. There's a button here to install the storefront integrations. You just need to click on that, and that's it. All right. Now, once that is done, we'll now go to the event and set the attendee information form. So let's go to the event. All right. Now on the event dashboard, click on event settings. On the event settings page, click on the attendee information tab. So here we already have a preset information, which is the first name, the last name, and the email. Now to add a field, you click on add a custom field. Now you have the option to choose text, checkbox, drop down, checklist, header, and custom content. So for instance, we need to ask if they are diabetic. So let's choose choice list. All right, so let's ask, are you diabetic? The option is yes and no. So allow multiple options to be selected. We'll leave that blank because it's only just yes or no. You have to make sure that the option that says the attendee is required to complete this field. Put a check there. And now if you would like to ask this question on, well, only a specific ticket, for instance, uncheck this one and you will have the option to choose what ticket type. Now this one only shows general information because for this event we only have one ticket variant, but if you have multiple you'll have that option. All right, so let's just choose collect this information for all ticket types, then click on save. All right, if you need to add another one, again do the same thing. We'll ask if they have high blood pressure. Again, uh, good choice list. Okay, do you have high blood pressure? Option is yes and no. Again, make sure that the attendee is required to complete this field is checked and click on save. All right. Well, this is the only information that I can think of, but if you have any information that you need to collect from your attendee, you can just put it here. And how will this look if your attendee will purchase a ticket? Let me show you. Let's go to the storefront. Now let's just wait for it to completely load. Now let's choose a date and time. Let's say I'll attend on the 30th for the 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Event. Now, if you're going to purchase a ticket for you and your friend, well, for you and your friends, what's going to happen is it will require you to fill out three attendee information form. So just to show you, we'll add to cart. Let's just delete this one. All right, let's just wait for it to complete the load, then check out. Here it is. All right, so you won't be able to go to checkout until you fill all of this out. Now, for some customers, they don't want to fill out, you know, three attendee information form, or let's say if they purchase 10 tickets, they don't want to fill out 10 attendee information form. You have the option of just letting them fill out one form. All right. But for this event, if they're diabetic, and this is for different people, they are required to fill out all the forms here because this will be for different people, and some of them will probably be diabetic, so they will be needing to fill out all this form for each person. But if you need to give them an option to just fill out one form, all you have to do, let's just close this first, just to show you. Take this off, close this. All right, so to provide that option, all we need to do is go back to the settings of the app, click on settings, storefront integrations. Now on the collect ticket info tab, scroll down, you'll see here show checkbox that allows the customer to use same ticket information across all tickets for an event. So put a check in there and click on save. So now, if we'll go to the store and purchase multiple tickets. All right, let's choose a date and time first. Again, the 30th, 5 to 6 p.m. Let's say 5 tickets, then add to cart. All right, so let's just wait for it to completely load. All right, check out here. You see here, use the same information for all tickets. If you uncheck that, it will show 5 forms since you filled out, I mean, you purchased 5 tickets. Again, if you just want to fill out one form, put a check here and they can just fill out this form. Choose no, choose no. Then that will be the only time that the checkout button will be enabled. All right. So yeah. So if they click on that, it will send them to checkout. So again, they won't be able to go to checkout until they fill out the form. All right. So again, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next video.